Now that the motherboard is exposed, we can start disconnecting different components. Fine, it's disconnected. Let's get it out of the way. Now that the motherboard is loose, we can just take it out. So guys, welcome back to IFIXSMARTSOLUTIONS. I've been working on this Lenovo ThinkCentre All-in-One and was replacing the screen because it was broken. But since by replacing the screen I also need to replace the motherboard, I decided to make a video on how to replace the motherboard on a Lenovo All-in-One ThinkCentre. On Apple iMacs, you will normally access the computer by removing the screen, but not the case with Lenovo. You will always access from the back. So first thing first, turn it off and remove all the cables. Remove the stand. Time to remove a screw from the covers. And remove the plastic covers. Remove CD-ROM. More screws. Remove more covers. Now let's remove the screws that are holding the metal covers. Remove more plastic covers. Time to remove the metal covers. Make sure that there is no screws still holding them, like in this case. Remove these screws that are holding the plastic covers that are around the motherboard. Understand that Lenovo has many all-in-one models, but most of them, the way to remove or like this process is very similar. More screws and more covers. Now that the motherboard is exposed, we can start disconnecting different components and removing some screws. The first thing we're gonna do is the heatsink and the fan. Disconnecting first also the camera just to have it out of the way. Let's remove and disconnect the fan. Fan is disconnected. Let's get it out of the way. Now heatsink. Let's get the heatsink out of the way, and this cable that you see here, this flex cable, is the one for the screen. Disconnected, be very careful, try not to bend it so you don't damage it. Also, this one on the back is for the screen too. Now let's keep disconnecting component, the hard drive cathode, speaker, Wi-Fi. Okay, to remove the motherboard, we need to remove about 7 to 8 different screws, so let's take them out of the way now. It is always a good idea to have all your screws very organized. You can use one of these mats. Now that the motherboard is loose, we can just take it out. If you're replacing your motherboard, remember to remove also your components like the RAMs, the SSD, of course the processor, basically any components that you don't see on the new one, take it from the old one. Now it's time to reinstall the motherboard. Just put it in place, make sure there is no cable trap underneath it. Once you confirm it's in position, no cables trapped, let's install the screws. Let's start connecting all the cables and components. Install the second metal frame for the board. Also, since you remove the heatsink, it's always a good idea to reinstall the thermal paste on your processor. Let's reinstall the heatsink. Reinstall the fan, don't forget to connect it. Time to reinstall the buttons. All the buttons are on this cover right here. Make sure there is properly connected, that is in place, so when you press each button it will click right where it should be. Let's keep installing covers and more components. Reinstall more plastic covers. Make sure they are properly seated. You should be able to hear like that click. Also, now let's install all the screws for all the plastics. Let's finish this one up by reinstalling all the components that we removed from the beginning. Now, if you replace everything properly, your computer should turn on once you press that button. But if you change your motherboard, you must remember something. That new motherboard that you just installed, if you get it new, it will have no serial number on it. And if you go to the BIOS, you're probably gonna see that invalid serial number or machine type error. If it does has a serial number, probably it's a serial number from an old computer, and you want to always have your own serial number on that new board that you just installed. For that, you will need a tool that Lenovo provides that allows you to change your serial number. We have created many videos on how to do this process, so in the description we're gonna add the links for those videos. If you need to install your old serial number on your new board that you just installed, just click the video we're gonna be linking to this video. I really hope that this has give you an idea on how to change the motherboard on a Lenovo All-in-One ThinkCentre. And remember, I know Lenovo has many different all-in-one models, but most of the cases, like most Lenovo All-in-One, the process to change the motherboard is very similar. Once again, I really hope this video have given you an idea on how to do the work. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Before we continue, if you find any value in this video, go ahead, subscribe, join. We are doing a lot of video for our community. Don't forget to leave your like. This will really help us to get to more people. Share to anybody that you think that have to see this video. Also, if my video helped you and you would like to show your appreciation, you can send a super thanks via YouTube. This helps us continue making more videos. Before we continue, if you find any value in this video, go ahead, subscribe, join. We are doing a lot of video for our community. Don't forget to leave your like. This will really help us to get to more people. Share to anybody that you think that have to see this video. Also, if my video helped you and you would like to show your appreciation, you can send a super thanks via YouTube. This helps us continue making more videos.